Welcome to Buy Smart, your go-to channel for making informed purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of robot vacuums, comparing the eufy RoboVac 11s Max and the iRobot Roomba 694. Which one will come out on top? Let's find out. First up, let's talk about price. The eufy RoboVac 11s Max is priced at $249, making it a budget-friendly option. On the other hand, the iRobot Roomba 694. If you're looking to save a bit of money, eufy could be the way to go. However, the $25 difference might not be a deal-breaker for those willing to spend a bit more for additional features. Next, let's compare design and size. The eufy RoboVac 11s Max has a slim 2.85-inch profile, making it easier to slip under furniture. Think of it as the yoga instructor of robot vacuums. The iRobot Roomba 694, while still sleek, is bulkier. It's like your gym buddy who skips leg day. Reviewers appreciate eufy's compactness and quiet operation, while Roomba is praised for its premium look. When it comes to cleaning performance, the eufy RoboVac 11s Max offers a 100-minute runtime and features Boost IQ technology, which automatically increases suction power when needed. Reviewers love its high suction power and effectiveness on low-pile carpets. The iRobot Roomba 694 has a 90-minute runtime and automatically adjusts its cleaning head for different floor types. It's praised for its good suction and ability to clean corners and edges effectively. However, some users mention it struggles with small obstacles and can be a bit noisy. In terms of navigation, the eufy RoboVac 11s Max uses infrared sensors to avoid obstacles and has drop sensing technology to prevent falls. Reviewers note that it can sometimes struggle with navigation around furniture. The iRobot Roomba 694 uses a full suite of sensors for adaptive navigation and cliff detection. It's like Roomba went to robot driving school and graduated with honors. Reviewers appreciate its ability to dodge obstacles effectively, although it can miss some spots due to its random cleaning pattern. Finally, let's look at recharging. Both vacuums automatically return to their charging docks when their battery is low. The eufy RoboVac 11s Max is like that friend who always knows when it's time to leave the party. However, some reviewers mention it may need manual intervention to return to its base. The iRobot Roomba 694 also docks automatically but has a 10-minute shorter runtime. Reviewers find both vacuums convenient in this regard. Overall, reviewers find the eufy RoboVac 11s Max to be a durable and reliable vacuum with great suction power, though it may struggle with navigation and lacks advanced features. The iRobot Roomba 694 is praised for its adaptive cleaning and good performance on various floor types, but it can be noisy and struggle with small obstacles. Both are considered good value for their price. So, there you have it. Both the eufy RoboVac 11s Max and the iRobot Roomba 694 have their own strengths and quirks. Which one do you prefer? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Buy Smart videos. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep your floors clean and your wallets happy.